Today we're making apple chutney. It's a great fall side dish or sauce. It goes well with vegetable samosas as a little dip with it, or you could put it on top of a veggie sausage as a topping. It goes well anywhere at Thanksgiving that you might have put cranberry sauce. So multi-purpose, delicious all fall, and a terrific way to use that bounty from your apple orchard trip. So I have already been sauteing some onions with a little bit of oil, getting those softened. And next I'm going to add fresh ginger. And that when you see ginger root, it looks like this. I like to grate it with a microplane zester. If you're having trouble with that, pop your ginger in the freezer and it just shreds like snow. It's pretty amazing. So grate a little bit of that into the onions. Go ahead and stir that and then add some spices. So I have curry powder, which is a blend of spices like cumin, coriander, cinnamon, ginger, and then some cinnamon. All those fragrant fall spices we love. And then apples, which I've chopped up small. And depending on how chunky you like it or how fast you want it to cook, you can go with a small or a wide chop. So once all of that is blended, then you add some apple cider vinegar for tang and maple syrup or agave syrup, whichever you like, for sweetness. And some apples are sweeter than others, so once it cooks down, you can decide for yourself if you'd like it a little sweeter or not. And after you've stirred that all up, you just cover it and you let it cook for anywhere from 12 to 25 minutes, depending on how saucy you like it and how big your chunks are to start. And that's all there is to it. Serve your apple chutney with samosas or on top of a veggie sausage alongside your vegan holiday roast this Thanksgiving. Then dig in. You can find the complete recipe at kadriskitchen.com.